try to make a sema truck out of, just gonna put that up there, out of this truck. Let's see what we can do. Yeah. So, let's go to customize, body, front bumper, front bumper. Yeah, probably gonna do that. Actually, no, that one's just looks too massive. There, fender. Use some regular fenders. Rear bumper. Yeah, actually, rear bumper. We're just gonna do that one. Cage. Just gonna do a white. Yeah. This is really not even a sema truck at this point. Actually, it could be. The front lights, yeah. Okay, this is not even a sema truck at it. I don't even know what the exhaust pipe is. We should do, oh, you can't do dual tips. So we're just gonna, okay, there's a bed stack. Put it like that, gun rack, repair pack, yes. Okay, now it's gonna paint. Yeah. Rims. B color. Spoke color. Just gray. B color. Red. I wish you could put beadlocks on it right now. Gray. Oh, so tires. Nowadays, I still use these tires for sema builds, so yeah. Let's go there. So let's go to upgrade. Engine power all the way up. Durability, diesel, turbo. What else? Let's see. Tuning. Travel. Oh shoot. Whoops. Axle width actually. Rear. Okay. Wheel radius. Rear. These are gonna be like a 1.5. Yeah. Okay, so let's head out to Rock Park. See how it does. Okay, let's go. Multiplayer, free roam. Rock Park. Which custom maps work? That'd be nice. Yeah. Oh, here we go. I don't even think that's still a spot that you can load at. The new version. I usually go to Rock Park and Stump Park like every day. Oh shoot. I don't want to get stuck. Ah shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Come on. So I don't fall off. Bro, this thing sucks. Okay, what's this? Keep going. I'm surprised they haven't changed the speedometers. Okay, we're just gonna retry this. I always get stuck, like, when the first, well, actually, it's my second posted video. That truck got stuck, too, right there. Oh, shoot. Come on. Oh, wow, I made it. Let's not fall off like right here. Yeah, okay. Should put tracks on this thing. I found out tracks are really good in the mud. I had a second gen that had tracks on it. I drove that thing a lot. That was like at the time, it was like my last truck that I built before deleting Off-Road Hollows, and then I got it again. Actually, no, it wasn't. Before I deleted all my, sold all my trucks. Oh my gosh. Determined to do this though. Let's see what a winch can do for me. Okay, well that helped, I guess. Okay, yeah, that did help actually. Geez, it's never took me this long. But this, jeez. Okay. Oh, maybe if we put it in 4-motor. Okay, well this thing's just not gonna make it. Let's try the pipes over here. Oh. The pipes are even here. Like, that's some different mud too. Oh good, the pipes are here. Here we go. Okay, well, yeah, that was pretty easy. I'll see you